Starting around the 7 walk 2024 Algorand basically is exchanging at $1.772 in term of its first rate, with a value change of zone 57% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Algo truly has a sort of all-out market cap of $234,525,700 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $317,503,690, which generally is genuinely huge. This really makes Algorand Algo genuinely positioning at 52 in the digital currency market. Or so they generally thought. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2024, what will Algorand be exceptionally worth in 2024, or so they by and large thought? Is Algorand a very wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, which for the most part is very huge? Will Algo cost especially outperform its unequaled high, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking? These explicitly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which explicitly is very critical. Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Algo cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally cross a by and large normal value level of $0.634. The normal sort of least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to truly be $508 for the most part further. Appearance how Algo basically has a sort of complete market cap of $234,525,700 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $317,503,690, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Algo can basically arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of $309.60, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation walk 2024. Algorand cost basically is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.427 to $0.730 in walk 2024, while the essentially normal cost of Algo for the walk certainly remains around $1.6054 Algo value estimate April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Algorand for the most part is supposed to sort of arrive at least value worth of $13,634, which really is genuinely huge. The Algo cost could, in every way that really matters, arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $1836 with the essentially normal cost around $760, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand Algo value figure May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Algorand explicitly is especially anticipated to arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $8.71, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $974 and at least $744 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Algo value estimate June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Algorand sort of is explicitly anticipated to generally arrive at a typical cost of $29.57, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $18.89 and a truly least of $18.30 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation July 2024. Algorand cost generally is supposed to sort of reach between $129.49 to $207 in July 2024, while the truly normal cost of Algo for the July truly remains around $1.75 Algo value conjecture August 2024. The Algorand gauge for August 2024 expects that the Algo may generally arrive at a very greatest worth of $361 with a by and large least cost of around $20.97, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Discussing the extremely normal value Algo can truly stretch around $398 for August, so Algorand Algo value gauge June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is generally anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $19.57, while the coin could exchange between an in every practical sense limit of $89 and a for the most part least of $830 in a huge manner. Algorand Algo value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Algorand cost generally is gauged to arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of $3.68, or so they thought. The Algo cost could really arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $25 or $21 with the sort of typical expected cost around $294, so Algorand Algo value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Algorand cost generally is conjectured to arrive at a kind of the most reduced cost of $268 in a very large manner. Algorand Algo value expectation October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Algorand cost in every practical sense is gauged to truly arrive at a kind of the least cost of $P234 in a for the most part significant manner. The algo cost could truly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $2,686 with a truly normal expected cost around $360. Genuinely further appearance how is Algorand a genuinely wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, or so they truly thought. Algorand Algo Value Conjecture November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Algorand fundamentally is basically anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of $494, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $8.20 and a truly least of $3.68, showing the way that the algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a greatest cost of $686 with a by and large normal expected cost around $3.60, especially further appearance how for the most part is Algorand a very wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algo Value Figure December 2024. The Algorand gauge for December 2024 expects that the algo may essentially arrive at a greatest worth of $960 with a very least cost of around $508, which sort of is genuinely critical. Discussing the truly normal value algo can basically stretch around $634 for December, showing how Algorand value expectation July 2024. Algorand cost in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally reach between $0.49 to $3.27 in July 2024, while the really normal cost of algo for the July essentially remains around $0.75. Algo Value Conjecture August 2024. The Algorand gauge for August 2024 expects that the algo may arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $361 with a very least cost of around $97, or so they by and large thought. Algorand pretty past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap that Algorand's cost truly has shown a generally excellent increment of 87% in the especially most recent 24 hours, certainly further appearance how Algorand Algo Value Expectation 2024 as per the Algorand estimate cost and specialized investigation. In 2024 the algo cost certainly is supposed to for the most part cross a sort of normal value level of $3,634, the normal genuinely least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to for the most part be $3,508, essentially further appearance how algo for the most part has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $2,234,525,700 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $317,503,690, which in every practical sense is very critical. From absolute most recent 7 days the algo especially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 29.46%, showing the way that the algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme cost of $20